The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to install the TapeTrack Open Data Protection API Chrome extension, how to configure it, and how to use it. The first thing we need to do is open Google Chrome, navigate to the Chrome Web Store and find the TapeTrack ODP API Chrome extension. Once we've found it, we click on the plus button. This will install the extension. Once the extension's installed, you'll see a TapeTrack icon on the top right-hand side of Chrome. Click on this icon, select Options, scroll to the bottom, and you'll have an opportunity to add an adapter. Now, an adapter is an endpoint that provides ODP API tape information. TapeTrack is an example of one of these tools that provides an adapter. Other tools might be tape libraries, tape backup software, or offsite storage companies. We scroll to the bottom and put a server name. Now, the server name is what we want this adapter to be known as. So I'm going to put my offsite company. In the URL, we put the URL of the adapter. So in this case, it's http://odpapi-test.tapetrack.com/DPAPI-v1. We put our user ID, test user, and a password, test user, and then click add. So you can see here we now have an adapter configured with a URL and a user ID. Once we've done that, we can close the options screen and we can open up a new tab in Chrome and select something like, or navigate over to a website like Bing. So we get to Bing. We search for something which looks like a tape ID. Now, you probably wouldn't normally search in Bing for a tape ID. You might be using Chrome to access your backup software web interface. But for this example, we're going to select something that looks like a tape ID in Bing. And what we'll see now is that in our Bing output, anything that looks like a tape now has a TapeTrack icon before it. So if we select this, you'll see here, this is just on the Semantic website, someone asking a question about barcode labels. Now, if we click on one of these, a dialog will pop up. It will show you where it's connected to my offsite storage company, and it will show you all of the libraries which contain that particular tape. Now, in this example, we've got more than one because we've got multiple tapes with that identifier. But if we only had one, only one would pop up. Now, if you ever need to uninstall the extension, it's simply a matter of going to Settings, Extensions, and you'll see down here your TapeTrack ODP API Chrome extension, and we click the Remove from Chrome button.